Habeas corpus. Habeas corpus is a legal term for an order that requires a person who has been put in jail to be released. The phrase is Latin for "you have the body." When a judge or court issues a writ of habeas corpus, a person who has been put in jail must go to court to ensure that he or she was not imprisoned illegally. Habeas corpus is an important protection of individual freedom because it guarantees that citizens can not be jailed unless correct legal procedures are followed. The idea of habeas corpus has been an important legal principle in Great Britain since the Middle Ages. The U.S. Constitution says that the justice system may not ignore rights of habeas corpus unless there is a rebellion or threat to public safety. During the Civil War, President Abraham Lincoln suspended habeas corpus by an executive order. The Supreme Court later ruled that only Congress, not the President, should have the authority to do this. Rights of habeas corpus are not often granted today. Still, they play an important role in protecting citizens' individual rights. Okay, so a habeas corpus is just a legal term that requires a person who has been put in jail to be released. Okay, so it means you have body in Latin. So when a judge or a court issues a writ of habeas corpus, or the right to be released, the person who is in jail has to go to court, and they basically talk about their case to make sure that they were not imprisoned illegally or by accident or against false weight. Okay, so habeas corpus, it protects individual freedom. It basically guarantees that you can't be jailed unless the proper legal ways are followed. Okay, so we can't just throw you in jail without proving that you did something wrong. Okay, there you go.